Assalamualaikum and good day, kids! How are you today? Are you excited to learn English? Great, because I am also excited to teach you. I am your teacher, Hileyah, and I will teach you more about noun. But before we begin, I would like to ask you if you can recall what is the meaning of a noun. Come again? Okay, very good. Noun is a name of person, place, thing, or animal. Are these examples of noun? Okay, correct. Those are examples of noun. So now let us move on to the main topic, which is the plural form of regular nouns by adding s or es. When a noun names one person, place, thing, or animal, you have to use singular noun. But when you are talking about two or more people, places, things, or animals, you have to use plural nouns. There are rules to follow in forming plural form of regular nouns. The first rule, add an s to singular nouns. Examples are book, books, pencil, pencils, cat, cats. The second rule, add s to nouns ending in y preceded by a vowel. Examples are monkey, monkeys, day, days, boy, boys. Third rule, add es to nouns ending in ch, sh, s, and x. Examples are dress, dresses, beach, beaches, brush, brushes, and box, boxes. Is that clear, class? Okay, let's have a drill. What is the plural form of the word shield? Okay, we are going to add s to make it plural and it will become shields. How about virus? Yes, we are going to add es and it will become viruses. Vitamin. Okay, vitamins. Sanitizer. Very good, sanitizers. Now we are going to have a quiz. Are you ready? Please get your pencil and a piece of paper. Choose the letter of the correct plural form of the nouns in the following sentences. Write the letters only. Number 1. Some guests arrived early. Letter A, guest. Letter B, guests. And letter C, guests. Number 2. The servants polished the chair carefully. Letter A, chair. Letter B, chairs. And letter C, chairs. Number 3. His parents prepared plenty of dessert. Letter A, desserts. Letter B, desserts. Letter C, dessert. Number 4. My 2 brothers helped mother to wash the plate. Letter A, plates. Letter B, plate. And letter C, plates. Number 5. I have seen the visitors dancing in their respective room. Letter A, room. Letter B, rooms. And letter C, rooms. Kindly take down your assignment to be submitted next meeting. Write the plural form of the given nouns and use them to construct a sentence. Number 1, girl. Number 2, market. Number 3, toy. Number 4, bus. And number 5, watch. That's all for this topic. Assalamualaikum once again. Have a good day and see you next time. Bye!